upon you be peace, and the mercy of Allah and His blessings. Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Respected viewers, in today's video we will present 5 blessed hadiths. These hadiths will address topics such as charity, sadaqah, maintaining good relations with relatives, sila rahmi, knowledge, and other subjects. Let us understand these hadiths and make a sincere commitment to act upon them. 1. The excellence of charity, sadaqah. Abu Hurairah, may Allah be pleased with him, narrated that the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "For every joint of a person, a charity is due each day the sun rises." Reported in Sahih Muslim. 2. The significance of seeking knowledge. Anas bin Malik, may Allah be pleased with him, narrated that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "The pursuit of knowledge is a duty upon every Muslim, both male and female." Reported in Sunan ibn Majah. 3. Upholding kinship ties, sila rahmi. Abdullah bin Amr, may Allah be pleased with him, narrated that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "Whoever believes in Allah and the last day should maintain strong ties with their relatives." Reported in Sahih Bukhari. 4. The beauty of patience. Abu Sa'id al-Khudri, may Allah be pleased with him, narrated that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "Wonderful is the affair of the believer, for all of his affairs are good. If he experiences something pleasing, he is grateful, and that is good for him. If he experiences something displeasing, he is patient, and that is also good for him." Reported in Sahih Muslim. 5. The importance of the testimony of faith, kalima. Abdullah bin Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, narrated that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "Whoever bears witness that there is no God but Allah and that Muhammad is his servant and messenger, Allah will protect him from the fire." Reported in Sahih Bukhari.